Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials: your Apple ID email, a trusted device or phone number, and any recovery email you set. Open iCloud. Com or settings your name on a trusted Apple device and choose Forgot Apple ID or password. Once done, follow on screen prompts to receive a verification code by text or to start account recovery. Make sure to enter codes exactly and note any device names shown so you recognize trusted devices. You now verify identity. Enter the one-time code sent to your trusted device or phone. If you don't have access, choose account recovery and provide a contact number. Apple may take time to confirm your identity. Once verified, create a new password that's long and unique, then sign back into iCloud on each device. Make sure to update keychain and app passwords so services sync. This step restores access and prevents lockouts from outdated credentials. Finish by enabling two-factor authentication if it's off and reviewing trusted devices and phone numbers. Remove anything you don't recognize. Once done, confirm iCloud Drive, photos, and device backups are intact so your data is available. If something goes wrong, like no verification codes or recovery delays, start account recovery again and choose a different contact number, or contact Apple support for identity escalation. One key tip: keep a secure backup contact to avoid repeated lockouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.